Hello and welcome back to another market intel trading session right here on TradingView. So let's take a look at Microstrategy. After a brief consolidation, Microstrategy extended its decline, continuing the turquoise wave 2. We still expect its low above $153.49, with the final leg of the WXY structure now unfolding. Once the turquoise wave 2 completes, we anticipate a strong rally above $674.18. Alternatively, with a probability of 25%, the price may be forming the magenta wave Alt B, with a pullback into $306 and $252 roughly, before another push towards $674.18. This zone could offer long entries, but of course, risk management is vital. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.